Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into something super exciting, learning new languages. Whether you're dreaming of exploring far-off places, aiming for a global career, or just looking to connect with new friends, speaking another language can really open doors for you. And guess what? There are some incredible mobile apps that make learning a new language easier and more fun than ever. Let's get started. Alright, let's talk about why learning a foreign language is so awesome. First off, it's great for your brain. It helps improve your memory, boosts your problem-solving skills, and enhances critical thinking. Plus, employers love multilingual candidates, which can lead to amazing career opportunities. And let's not forget how it deepens your cultural understanding and makes traveling so much cooler. There's also a huge personal growth aspect. It boosts your confidence and gives you an incredible sense of achievement. Now, let's check out some of the best apps that can help you get started on your language learning adventure. First up is Duolingo. This app makes learning feel like playing a game. You get personalized learning paths and bite-sized lessons, perfect for fitting into any schedule. It's fun, engaging, and best of all, it's free. The rewards system keeps you motivated, and the interface is super easy to use. Next, we have Babbel, focuses on practical conversations and cultural insights with short, manageable lessons. You can practice real-life conversations, and the lessons are designed to fit into just 10 to 15 minutes of your day. It has an intuitive interface that's tailored to your native language, making learning smooth and effective. Then there's this app stands out with its user-generated content and diverse language options. The courses are created by native speakers, making them engaging and authentic. Memrise uses spaced repetition to help lock in what you've learned. And it's perfect for all levels of learners. Let's not forget the classic. Known for its immersive learning experience, Rosetta Stone places a strong emphasis on pronunciation and structured lessons. The audio is from native speakers, ensuring you're learning accurately. It's thorough and immersive, ideal for those serious about mastering a language. Up next, we have Busuu offers a blended learning approach, combining AI-powered tools with real-life coursework. You get personalized feedback and it covers 14 different languages. The app is user-friendly and engaging, making it a fantastic choice for learners at any level. Finally, this app is unique because it connects you with native speakers for language exchange. It focuses on conversational practice and cultural exchange, which is great for improving your speaking skills in real time. It's social, interactive, and really fun to use. Looking ahead, being multilingual is going to be even more valuable. Industries like technology and healthcare are always on the lookout for people who can communicate in multiple languages. This skill could set you apart in the job market and lead to some amazing global career opportunities. Think international business, diplomacy, or even translating and interpreting. So what are you waiting for? Download one of these apps and start your language learning journey today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting facts and tips. Happy learning!